The breadbasket of Jamaica continued to be plagued with crime and violence after a shooting incident in Gleasden, St. Elizabeth that has left one individual dead. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. The police in St. Elizabeth were kept busy on Friday night after a shooting took place in Glazeland near Neil in St. Elizabeth, where a man was shot by a gunman early in the evening. It's reported that shortly after 7 p.m., a man was inside a restaurant when a gunman dressed in a hoodie entered the business establishment. It is reported that the gunman pulled a firearm from his waistband and opened fire, hitting the individual multiple times. The man then fled the scene. The deceased man is said to be from Lettis, a community on the border of Manchester and St. Elizabeth. When contacted, the corporate communications unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force could not provide much details as it relates to the incident. We'll continue to track this story and provide you more information to come on this. This has been Link 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.